Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings. And today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday, but it's also the start of Celebration and our new mini catalog. Right now I just want to show you our Celebration brochure. This goes on from January 5th until March 28th. So these are the free items you can get during those 2 months. For every $50 you purchase, you get to choose an item. So this is just some, the first thing is called Paper Blooms Designer Series Paper, and it's a level 1. So if you purchase $50 worth of product, you get this. Let's see if I can bring you down to show you that paper. I really like that. I don't have that one yet. Let me see. Okay. But I think it's really beautiful. It's 12 by 12, 12 sheets, 2 each of the 6 double-sided ones. And then, let me get some of the ones I have out. Should have done this before. So the next one is, this is Darling Donkeys. Let's bring you down to see this one, because you really have to see this one. It is so cute. It's Darling Donkeys, it's a level 1. So this you get for $50 free. Now this project right here, it gives you all the stuff here. Let's bring it up again. All the stuff is listed here for you to make this great project and some of the other projects just by using what's here. And the thing is the Darling Donkeys project collection, you can use one item number and you get everything needed for that. And it then qualifies you for Darling Donkeys. And here's the Darling Donkeys. This is great if you like to practice or want to use your blends. I just really love this set. And again, if you order the Darling Donkeys project kit, you get enamel dots, a cardstock assortment, 8.5 Whisper White, in color designer series paper assortment, Stampin' blends, the crumb cake and smoky slate blends, and Memento ink pad. So everything to make these. Isn't that cool? Okay, and the next thing is Approaching Perfection. This again is a level 1, $50, and you get this Approaching Perfection. It's a birthday set. Happy birthday, news flashes, birthdays found to be good for your health. If things really do get better with age, then we're approaching perfection. The bad news is I forgot your birthday. The good news is I forgot your age. It's got a little balloon and some candles. And then here's some projects. Oops, here's some projects you can do with this. And then we've got the next free thing is the Oh So Ombre Designer Series paper. It's a 6 by 6, so you get 48 sheets, 12 each of one double-sided design in 4 colors. 4 colors. And I want to show you this in real life. So you've got that, and you've got the, let's see, Blackberry Bliss with the Granny Apple Green, Rococo Rose with Bermuda Bay, oh, it's just great. And then here's some more. So now you've got Blackberry Bliss, different styles with the Granny Apple Green, and then more Rococo Rose, but then this time you got this. So pretty cool, I would say. You could do a lot of items with this. I like the ombre where it goes down. Okay, then the next thing is this corner bouquet set. I just love this set. I got this already. It makes some great cards. Let's see. I made some great cards with it. And here is one, and then, excuse the, I dropped this on the ink pad. I'm going to have to do something, maybe put a tag there. But here is another one. This is the big one, and that. And you could color them with your Stampin' Up markers. But it's a really quick and easy card stamp set to make cards. And then you get the another number one, level one is these Heal Your Heart. Now this is really great because we're in this together, which is great for nowadays. I can't promise to always fix your problems, but I can promise you won't ever face them alone. Sorry for your loss. I don't know what I would do without you. Wishing I could heal your heart, and thank you. Great sentiment set. And again, that's a level one set. And then we have Flower and Field Designer Series paper, some more paper here. And this is a 12 by 12 sheet again. Yeah, so we have the paper blooms, and then we have the Flower and Fields, more flowers. Now this is, again, this project right here, these projects use the some of the free stuff, so mainly the free project here, and then you can use your own saying sets. But, well, it actually includes the Happy Thoughts. You get the Label Me Fancy Punch. You get the Happy Thoughts, Assorted Memories and More, cards and envelopes, Memento ink, and Bumblebee Gingham ribbon. Gingham ribbon. And for that, that's $62.50. You get one thing free, and you can choose your Flower and Fields Designer Series paper. Now here is a level 2, a touch of ink. It's a double-sided stamp set. I think it's just beautiful. And look at all the things you could make. I love that hummingbird. Now you can do the hummingbird just as is, or you can put the shadow in on it. And the same with the leaves, the flower, and the butterfly. And then it says, best wishes, thank you so much, hope, love, thinking of you, and hello, friend. Okay, here is another level 1 or level 2. So for $100, you'll get two things. You will get Berry Blessing stamp set and Berry Delightful Designer Series paper. Aren't they cute? And here it says it coordinates with the Sweet Strawberry bundle. I just love that. And again, it's a two-step stamping stamp. Host a party during celebration. And for hosting a party, you get a free punch party stamp set, which is right here, which is really cool. It coordinates with the double oval punch, which is in the January to June catalog. It also coordinates with the heart punch pack and the rectangular postage stamp pack. And this is free if you have a party over $300. or you buy over $300. Ask me how to have an online party and we'll have a really good time, and hopefully you'll be able to qualify for that. Now, another thing is joining my team, the Happening Stampers, during Celebration. And again, it's such a great deal anyhow. For $99, you get to order $125 worth of stuff. You don't get to earn the Celebration items, but you can buy anything you want that we sell, $125 worth. And then during Celebration, you get six 6x6 stacks of our newest designer series paper that's coming up in the upcoming catalog. And you get free business supplies, plus it ships for free. So you can't do anything better than that. And again, I just wanted to show you what is all available during Celebration. Follow me on YouTube and make sure you purchase your items for Celebration with me, and I would really appreciate it. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.